Hey, this is Trey Songz in DC with a special message for the fucking police. Fuck y'all.
Fuck 'em.
Fuck the police. Fuck the MGM. Like what you say to the police?
Fuck them one time.
Nah, but on my mama, on everybody I love. Fuck the police. Fuck the MGM in DC. Fuck the MGM in Vegas. So they kicked me out the MGM. But I'm in the MGM bathroom. Mikey too. And it's still fucked up. Me and my dog TC been holding me down since 2010.
Yes, indeed.
Don't get it fucked up. Don't get it fucked up. They kicked me out, but I'm still here. Go. How many rooms we got here? About 10?
About 6, 7, 8. Fuck the police, though.
Hey, so my pit boss gonna come to me. She like, oh, they want to help you out. They want to accommodate you, but the videos you've released, could we take them down? Fuck the MGM. So everybody clearly understands and doesn't think I'm